The lily pad rose is one of the most beautiful things. This is, of course, the name I've given to it. But let's look at it just hanging out in the water. It's one of Mother Nature's greatest inventions or designs. You have 3 main flower petals, and their overlap is covered by what used to be their seed head. You can see the bulb, one that's still in its youthful stage. There is a remnant of its protection. And it has this soft green that's left over from the overlapping or the encasing of the original bud. And if you look inside, you see unbelievable explosion of texture and color. This is a hard, almost rubber-like center with these inner, I would call them, I don't know if you would call them a stamen, but look at that red on the inside. And of course we've got Mother Nature in gathering the pollen to send it off to other places. It's statuesque, it's prehistoric, it's good design.